Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. Link continues to hold above this $23 level, the previous breakout point here, this green line, which acted as resistance before. I still don't see this as a sustained breakout. We need to see a little bit more action for that. Need to see a little bit more evidence for that. But for now, the roadmap here on the Link chart to $47 plus remains intact. Yeah. So despite all the pressure we've seen in the crypto sector over the last few days, Link, as you know, held my upper micro support and even pushed higher. As you will see on the smaller time frame, Link has actually pushed into the next micro resistance zone. So we're going to take a look at that together. For now, the pressure remains up. Link remains, Link remains focused here towards further upside, and also here there's absolutely no change on our larger time frame, right? So the idea is still that obviously $31 would be next resistance, and then above that level 47. So these are the next two key levels, let's say it like that, right? So we've got 31 and then 47 as next key resistances. Above 47, we've got 67, 84, 120, and would focus on higher prices like that. In our yellow scenario, I see this simply as a B wave rally. So we have an A wave to the upside, within wave B. This was the top in March 24. Then we had a B wave pullback in wave B, and we're now moving up in a C wave, which again can take either the blue or the yellow route. Okay, and in the yellow scenario, we have to be very much aware that there could be another pullback before going higher, but that would be seen only as corrective pullback in an uptrend for now. Okay, in the blue scenario, it shows the more directly aggressive bullish count with higher prices in a very direct fashion. I would say let's take a look at the shorter time frame to get a good idea of how, let's say, micro resistance looks like and micro support actually. So you see here that since yesterday, since the last video update, the market obviously has started to move up nicely. We had a good reaction to Fibonacci support, but I don't like the look of this. Okay, now what we have on this chart is a potential B wave low in the blue scenario here on the 15th of August, a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, and then I said, look, very well possible that from here, from this area around $23, we start a third wave up. So again, the upper micro support keeps the blue count alive. So what we now need to see, though, is a break above the range, right? We haven't broken above the range. We haven't broken above resistance. So price needs to break above these previous swing highs and above the 88.7 retracement at $26.34. So that would be the next objective for the bulls here. Haven't done that yet, so we remain stuck in the range. I think at least another test of micro support appears to be likely. If that happens, then, well, it might simply be a reset of wave 2. It might simply be a broader wave 2. For now, I think we just need to see, can we actually hold a higher low now in the pullback? If we can't, then we might just, test support again. That wouldn't change anything. It just means that we spend a little bit more time in this range. Any break above these last highs should send us quite quickly to $31, I would say, because it would then confirm further that this is a third wave rally to the upside. And as soon as we break below upper support, so if we break below $22.30, and that's the same communication as yesterday, well, if I go to the 1 hour chart, it's like the first confirmation that we're in a broader correction. But for now, we spend a bit of time up here, no break of support, rather we've started to move away from support. But that last top here, it could be an internal B wave top. Now let's see how the market reacts in this current pullback. Overall, I'm looking for higher prices, as per the blue scenario. Would change my view if we get a break below $22.31. That's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. So you'll find here additional video updates. You find additional chart updates, additional news, mindset stuff, all sorts of stuff from our Elliott wave analysis and research. So feel free to follow us there. The link is in the description and also in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye bye.